Hey YouTubers, and welcome to another Everyday Problems video. I appreciate you tuning in, and please like this video, share it, do whatever you guys do. It's not like I make any money. I don't even know how to make any money off this, so I just thought I'd do another cool video. And this time, it's about headlight restoration. You know, the cool thing about buying a new car, well, not only do you get that new car payment, not so cool, but you get the crystal clear headlights, where the lens is nice and shiny, clear, no haze, no yellow. Well, I have an older Tahoe, Chevrolet Tahoe, that the lenses really look pretty bad. So instead of going to buy new headlights, which would be pretty expensive, I bought a headlight restoration kit. And you know what? They're all basically the same on the market. They're going to come with the polish. You're going to come with actually small little sanding discs too. You know, from 800 to 1500 to like 3000. And the whole process is basically you're wet sanding them down to the bone to get all the pits out and get the yellow off, and then you're going to polish them up. I mean, that's basically it. So I'm going to show you the before and after product, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. It really only took about 25 minutes. Gets a little bit messy, but you're going to save a lot of money doing it yourself. Okay, here is the driver's side. As you can see how yellow it is and nasty. And that stuff will not come off, not with Windex, anything like that. I mean, it really needs restoring. And it does affect how the light comes through at night. Now let me walk over here and show you the one I've done. Boom. I mean, look at that. Isn't that cool? It's crystal clear. It's nice and smooth. Smooth as a baby's bottom. Yeah, that looks good. Now, of course, look at this stuff all over the car. I mean, it really did make a mess, so you'll have to get a car washer, wash your car afterwards. But I'm going to show you how to go from that one to this one. All right, here's the one I used. It's called New Lens, and actually I got it at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. They have it on sale right now. I don't know why I'm plugging this product, because they didn't give me anything, but anyway, whatever. It was only like 25 bucks, and the other ones were like $35. So this is a good deal, I guess, on this one. And then they give you this kind of the buffer brush like that, and you'll also get the sanding discs along with it. Okay, now the theory behind this is you're taking layers off, layer by layer, like an onion or an ogre. Take the layers off until you get down to the bare plastic. And there's a little disc that comes with this product. This is an 800, and remember, the lower the number, the higher the grit is on it. So when you're getting up to 3000, that's really a very, very fine grit, and it really polishes it up. That's what guys use when they're painting a car. So this is basically, you put it on your drill bit, and got to get a variable speed drill, okay? Variable speed drill. And you'll also need a bottle of spray water. Got to do this because you got to keep it wet the whole time. So I'm going to be moving around, but I'm going to turn the camera around here like this to show you. So first we're just going to wet it down like that. All right, and now we're going to get busy. And you can see I don't have anything on this that's not like a paste or anything. That is the actual plastic in the yellow that is being scraped off of the plastic. And you get a little more water on it too, like this. Got to keep it wet. You don't want to go too high on your drill either, about half speed. You know what, something else I noticed that I did on the other side, you got to be careful on the side of this that you don't get on your paint here. See, I've already done it. Damn it! You can easily take your paint off of your truck, so hopefully you have a touch-up kit, but just be careful about getting too close to your paint. A little more agua. You know, at this point you're thinking, oh my God, what have I done? What have I done? But it's okay. Watch this. Just keep rinsing it off. And what you'll see, obviously you're not even close to getting the clearness now, but it is, you want it to be a complete haze, but at least an even haze all the way around. Gotta change sides here. A little more agua. Looks like a mess, doesn't it? Hey, you know what I've noticed too? I read in the instructions that you don't really necessarily need to start with 800 if your lens aren't as bad as what you saw here. You can just jump right to the 1500. So I'm almost done here. All right, just rinse it off. Alright, and give me a second, I'm going to change discs and put on the 1500. Okay, we're back, and remove this disc, Velcro back, very easy. They give you this part, and put on the 1500, which is going to be not as, it's not as rough on the top, because we've already basically, with that first pad, taken off the nasty layer. So really remember, you're going from super high grit to super high fine, which is what polishes the unit. And now I'm going to be using water with this one as well. All right. Caught myself going too fast. You got to keep the drill slow in this process, and it's super high when you're doing the final. It's looking better. And let me get the towel. See it? Look at that. It looks pretty awful, doesn't it? Doesn't look like there's much of a change, but that's how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to have an even haze all the way around. So I'm going to get a little bit more right here, then I'm going to stop. Because I'm holding an electric drill in the rain. Okay. Probably not bad. I know right now it just doesn't look very good, but this is how it's supposed to look. The yellow is gone, the pitting is gone. Now I'm going to shut the camera down, and we're going to come back after it stops raining, because in my next step where I use the next 3000 grit, you don't need water. All right, it's stopped raining hours later, so I can finish my project. I've just installed the 3000 disc on here, the 3000 grit. So this one does not require any kind of water at all. You're basically going to just go over it again. It's still going to look pretty hazy, and you wipe it off, and then we're going to finally get to the polishing part, okay? For this one, you use high speed all the way. Well, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to get into the buffing part. So let me put that attachment on here and we'll finish up. All right, she is ready for the final polish. And this is the stuff. We're just going to put like a little kind of a nickel size on there on the head, and we're going to start working it through on high speed. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Let me buff it up. They say use a microfiber towel. Wow, what a difference. Headlight restoration. You know, if the rain hadn't stopped me today, I probably would have been done, oh, I don't know, the whole job maybe a little less than an hour, probably 45 minutes from start to finish. So I hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it and share it, and tell your friends that they can restore headlights too on Everyday Problems. I'm John. We'll see you.